welcome back. So we start off the day with complete sunshine once again, but had an increase in the clouds as we made our way through the rest of the day. That's the clouds ahead of our next system that will cool us down. Already some moisture off to our west, but after reaching highs near 90, we're down to 86 with that wind south-southeast around 24 to 35 miles per hour. That and the sunshine really warming us up today. Top of the hour temperatures into the mid-80s at Broken Bow, Thedford, Lexington, Ogallala, Imperial, North Platte. And we're into the upper 80s out toward Valentine right now, but there's your wind, mainly from a southerly direction. Wind speeds right now sustained between 20 and 30 miles per hour, really pumping in that warm air with the highest wind gusts across the region between 35 and 40 miles per hour. So we are staying mainly dry across the central portion of our viewing area. So from North Platte, points off to the east, still lots of sunshine out there. Some strong storms developing from Alliance out toward Kimball, Sydney into northeastern Colorado. No warnings as of yet, but some gusty winds in the range of 50, 55 miles per hour with some of these storms. We'll continue to keep an eye on them. They could skirt our western counties tonight and be over us as we go through tomorrow afternoon. Until then, high pressure in charge of our forecast. It's really starting to strengthen, moving into the southern Midwest. There's the wind, mainly from a southerly direction, really strong southerly flow with that monsoon low to the west. So there's your moisture and really warm air being pumped in. But our next weather maker is this cold front that's about to make its way through. Much cooler air is on the way from this one. So as we make our way through later on tonight, some storms are possible, especially in Imperial, Ogallala, and up toward Grant and Hyannis, maybe even getting into the Valentine area. Most of us, though, just turn mostly cloudy. 11 p.m. temperatures are going to be very mild because of that, with temperatures falling back into the mid-70s. The showers will start to dissipate into the early overnight. We'll spend most of the overnight with partly to mostly cloudy skies, starting off into the mid-60s tomorrow. A few peaks of sunshine until the early afternoon. That's when we will have some more showers and storms now developing from North Platte and points off to the east. It looks like the worst of it's going to be east of our viewing area, but still, there's a slight chance of severe weather going through tomorrow afternoon. But by tomorrow evening, we're about to mainly clear skies pretty quickly. Temperatures starting off your Wednesday morning into the mid-40s, and for Wednesday, by afternoon, lots of sunshine. High temperatures only near 70 degrees. So we have dropped 20 degrees in 2 days as this front makes its way through. A much cooler high-pressure system is in charge of our forecast, so we will have that very strong northerly wind and temperatures plummeting as we're back to a nice dry weather pattern as we finish out the work week. But there goes the warm air. Over the past few days, we've had those highs 10 to 20 degrees above average, that record challenging warmth and humid air with that direct flow from the Gulf of Mexico. This really warm high-pressure system is going to make its way into the Midwest and Northeast, and behind it, much cooler air is going to filter in as we finish out the work week. So we'll keep a good chance of some showers and thunderstorms, especially from North Platte and points off to the east tomorrow. Breezy, high of 73 degrees and 68 on Wednesday with sunshine. And we keep mostly sunny skies Thursday and Friday, breezy to windy, but temperatures continuing to fall from 66 down to 58 to round out the work week. We do have frost possible. Saturday morning's low is 29, then we're right back up there to 64 Saturday, lots of sunshine through Sunday at 74, and near 80 for Monday, back to above average levels for the holiday. Kent?
Yeah, so kind of interesting, starting with 90 today and then 58 by the time we end the week. That's a big change.
Yeah, it's about time, too. Temperatures really on their way down as we go through the first month of October.
All right, thanks so much. Appreciate that, Justin. Coming up, high school softball.